Go, let's go. Huh?
No.
This is the Taal volcano,
You just said.
and there is some. The volcano is active.
Where's my phone?
There is also have some
Wait a minute, your phone?
smoke coming.
Egg. I need some more rock.
Yeah, when it's raining though.
Oh yes, I forgot. Don't forget, I have pockets. I will just put some rocks inside here.
Beautiful Tagaytay. This is the Taal Lake, and that is the volcano. They are taking pictures.
Ah, my baby's so beautiful. What are you doing? Don't throwing stones, okay?
No, I'm not gonna throw stones. I'm just collecting the cool ones.
You see, honey, they have swimming pool, but they dried it.
Yes, oh my goodness, it's very deep swimming pool. You see?
Yeah.
Swimming pool where?
Yeah, but they dried. There's no water.
Aw.